Hi, I'm Marcus from Marcus Language Academy, and today I want to talk about the structure of the main sentence. In my course for beginners, you learn with sentences. And today I have some little explanation about the structure. If you want to see my whole course for beginners, just click on the first link in the description. The word order in German sentences is an important topic. But let's just take a look at a normal sentence. First, we have the subject here, ich. After that comes our conjugated verb, gebe. Then, for example, the indirect object, dem Sohn. And after that, the time, heute. Next, the place, zu Hause. And finally, the direct object, der Ball. Ich gebe dem Sohn heute zu Hause den Ball. I give to the son today at home the ball. The colors we have here are the colors to visualize the cases. If you want to learn more about this, feel free to watch my video on the German cases. But let's go back to the sentence structure. In most cases, the sentence structure is okay like this. Of course, you don't always have all the elements. You need at least the subject and the verb. And the most important rule is that the conjugated verb is in the second position. In German, however, other elements of the sentence can be placed at the beginning of the sentence. If this is the case, the subject moves behind the conjugated verb. Heute gebe ich dem Sohn zu Hause den Ball. Literally, today give I to the son at home the ball. And again, the verb remains in the second position. Okay, then the direct object becomes a pronoun. It goes before the indirect object. Heute gebe ich ihn dem Sohn zu Hause. Literally, today give I it to the son at home. And even if we use a pronoun for the indirect object. Heute gebe ich ihn ihm zu Hause. Literally, today give I it him at home. However, with a few common conjunctions, the standard word order is kept. Und heute gebe ich dem Sohn zu Hause den Ball. Literally, and today give I to the son at home the ball. The following conjunctions take position, let's say, 0 in the sentence. Und, oder, aber, sondern, denn. And last but not least, what happens if we have multiple verbs in the sentence? If there are multiple verbs in the sentence, the conjugated verb is in position 2, like we said. And the other verbs are at the end. Heute will ich dem Sohn zu Hause den Ball geben. Literally, today want I to the son at home the ball to give. Sounds a little bit like Yoda from Star Wars, doesn't it? So please remember as the most important rule that the conjugated verb is in the second position and the subject is always right next to it. The rest in German is quite flexible. But with this little overview, you will definitely be ready to do everything a little better. I hope you enjoyed the video. And that you don't miss anything, please subscribe to my channel and activate the bell. I'm Marcus from Marcus Language Academy, and thank you very much for watching.